Okay, let's see what happens when these come out. Pretty long little dude. That's a good sign. When things pop loose on their own, that means I didn't use glue. A lot of people don't appreciate that quality furniture benefits from being serviceable. So got all the trouble of building something, it's nice that you can take the some of the parts off and replace them. So I don't know. Oh, you know what? This was here. And some maniac I was gonna make this piece. Wow. Wowie wow wow wow. This is for some insane reason. This is the missing piece. That is just nuts. So I have to figure out if it's on the right way. This is bent. That's probably why it's not going on. And then I don't know if I need to Dremel off these nails. But yeah, this right here, this answers the question of what's supposed to be in the front. Because there's a trim piece that is clearly missing. Was clearly attached by these nails, but it for whatever reason, somebody put it over here for reasons I do not understand. So, all right, miraculous discovery. That just speeds everything up and makes it easier to make this happen. I'm going to say that because there's some staining and some color here, there's some finish here and here. There's not any finish on the bottom, and it's a solid black walnut piece, which I thought was weird because most people that do some kind of goofy, weird repair generally use a cheap piece of wood. And this is actually walnut, which has always been kind of expensive and sort of fancy. And so I was kind of baffled why they would just put it here for no good reason. But this is it. This is the missing link. And so anyways, what I was going to say is put the finish, if this happens to you, put the finish up and put the dry side down, I'm guessing. And we'll tack that on. I'll probably have to shoot some air nails alongside of the nails that are here. But that's a definitely a bit of good news. Big thumbs up to that. Okay, the next thing we need to do is figure out, I'm going to go this way because otherwise it's metric going the other way. That looks like about 12 7/8 to fill that gap. I'm going to assume it's pretty close to the same down here. 12 7/8. All right. So I have a piece of poplar that it's 3/4 inches that fits into this gap here. I have to double check the height. I don't think it matters though. This is almost 2 inches, but there's room for more lumber inside, so that won't be a problem. So I have a piece that's 3/4 of an inch thick. It's long enough that I know it will render 2 pieces, one for down there, one for up here. So I'm going to get that cut on the new cheapo miter saw that I'm very excited about.